Hello and welcome back, friends. In this video I am going to be sharing with you how you can grow your very own food in a DIY container kitchen garden. A few weeks ago I started this mini garden in a recycle bin. Someone asked in the comment section if tomatoes can grow in this container right here. Now here is proof. Tomatoes flowering, and here are my first cherry tomatoes growing out of a recycle bin. I have some zinnias, some marigolds. These are some volunteers, I think squashes. I have green onions down in here. I have some peppers. I have kale. And look at my beautiful bok choy that is growing out of my recycle bin. This area was also upgraded with 2 other bins that I'm going to be planting a whole lot of food in. Now right here I have some tomatoes that I recently transplanted in this bucket, and I also have some bell peppers growing. I'm not sure if these are red or yellow bell peppers. I took these from the herb and vegetable garden and I have them up here because I wanted to transform my deck into a functional kitchen garden. These are some more bell peppers. Right here I have some celery, and here's some chamomile. I have mustard greens, and I still have some banana peppers that I have not harvested as yet. Right next to these I have some more cherry tomatoes. And this is going to be epic. I am going to have a massive harvest from these cherry tomato plants. Just look at these. So much cherry tomatoes. Back here I have, I think these are some spicy globe jalapeno peppers, and this one, oh my gosh, look at it. It has so much flowers and fruits on that one. Right here I have a rosemary plant. I'm not sure if this is a volunteer pigeon peas or if I planted it there. I don't remember planting any peas in there. Right here I have kale, bok choy, kale, bok choy. I don't know if the baking soda portion was too strong, but it was the only thing I sprayed on this kale and it's drying up. I have some bell peppers and carrots. This is an experiment that I am waiting on. I think I might just drop in another clip when I was transplanting these. So now, I have always been curious about transplanting carrots. Today, I am going to do an experiment by transplanting a few of these carrots that is currently growing in these 2 pots with 2 of my peppers. I'm going to be putting some in this spot, some in this spot, some in this one, and some in this one. Here are a few of the carrots that I just pulled out. Even looks as if they have already started forming baby carrots already, look. But I am still going to plant them because remember, this is an experiment, okay? You all wish me luck. Soon and very soon, my curiosity is going to be satisfied, and I am going to find out if transplanted carrots can survive and grow to harvest. Here I have more kale, celery, carrots, and peppers. Now look at this, people. I have some, I think, what are they called again? These are the quick snack cucumbers. I got this plant at Walmart for $4, and now I have a few cucumbers that I can harvest from this plant. I have 4, and I have some more coming out. Okay, so down here I have some more peppers, and I believe these are some spicy globe jalapeno peppers. The last time you saw this one, it was a teeny tiny thing. And I also have some bok choys growing in these pots. And everything that is planted together, they are companions for each other. Back here I have some more kale and bok choy, and I have some more bell peppers that I need to transplant. Up in here I have my blueberries, and I have 2 lavender plants right here. Here is another blueberry plant. Here are some more bell peppers. Oh, these are tiny and they are already changing colors. And these ones looks as if they're going to be the red ones. This is another transplanted tomato, and I have some sage here, and I do have another sage back over there as well. Now look at this, my friends. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is so ready to harvest. That's a yellow bell pepper, and this one is a yellow one as well. More bell peppers, and I think this plant is suffering from too much water. Not from me though, it rained and I didn't remember to punch a hose in the bottom bucket right there so the water could run out. So I think this one is suffering because there was too much water in the container. I have some more chamomile, celery, zinnias, mustard, kale, more peppers right here. More peppers. The peppers are doing extremely well. I really don't know how I passed this bucket with the cherry tomatoes, my very first ripe cherry tomatoes. And these are growing in 5-gallon buckets. Now, this is something I was very eager to share with you all, my strawberries that has exploded because of the rice water. I have not been feeding them with anything else, just the rice water. I already have a ripe strawberry right here, 2 little ones right there, and this plant has 3 here already, and I can see another flower right there. And is there any more flowers down in there? I'm not sure, but I believed there are some strawberries coming out in here, more up here. So I do have a lot of strawberries. Look at this one. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 flowers on that one strawberry right there. Okay, and here I have green onions, thyme, strawberry, what's this again? Swiss chard, strawberry. So this container right here is so compact. It has a lot of stuff in it. These are peppers and carrots. More strawberries, a whole lot of strawberries popping out, folks. And look at the Swiss chard, how they have taken off. So this rice water is really doing well with the plants. And here I have more strawberries right here. And the strawberries, they are putting out a lot of flowers. So if you have not yet tried the rice water on your fruiting plants, especially just strawberries, go ahead and do so, because I am seeing a lot of success with the strawberries. Outside here I have my green onions, and this is now an extension of the kitchen garden. I moved my mini greenhouse. It is right here now, and I have a lot of tomatoes growing underneath there. One more thing, I did show you guys the cucumber plants, but I didn't remember to show you that I used an old tripod stand and I turned it upside down so I can hang the pot with the cucumbers on it. See, an old tripod stand, and my cucumbers is nicely hung, and this right here. I hope that you enjoyed this very short video, and that you have seen something that you can utilize in the creation of your very own container kitchen garden. What am I looking for again? Oh yes, I was looking for, I have a celery under here, and I have some bok choy and green onions, bok choy, green onions. So I am using up every bit of my space, people. I moved this table to the corner because I wanted to have both of my chairs side by side So if I'm sitting out here with a family member, my husband, my son, my daughter, somebody, or a visitor, we can sit right beside each other and have a very good conversation. And I also moved a few of the flowers. I have some back here looking very pretty. Now, if this is your first time here, I am the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. My number one priority on this channel is to save as much as we can as we grow as much as we can. And I also love to salvage and repurpose things. So if you are enjoying this content, please go ahead, share it with somebody so they too can learn how to salvage, repurpose, and grow a thriving garden, no matter where they are in the world. Look at this. Beautiful, right? So amazing, amazing. This is so amazing. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon in another video.